The eve of back to school in Duval and St. Johns County. Enjoy the weekend. And for parents, oh my gosh, I can't wait till they're back to school, Kristine.
Oh, you say that, but you're going to be so busy.
There's new schools opening up in Duval and St. Johns County. We've got you covered for weather and traffic throughout Jacksonville's morning news on this Friday and into next week as well. And just be prepared for the new traffic patterns. But you're here because it's the Florida Python Challenge, the opening of it. And it might not be this weekend, but you're going to be wanting to do this?
Yes.
I have so much respect for this.
I don't know that respect is the word, but I really truly believe in conservation. And so I think we all need to do whatever we can to do this. I'm not a big fan of killing the pythons.
No.
But it has to be done.
But it has to be done. But like, you will be capturing a python.
Hopefully with Benjamin, I'm trying to convince him.
This is incredible. Did you know? I mean, like, mad respect. And we're hearing from you in the open mic in the WOKV app. It's going to be targeting pythons soon. I can't wait.
At least I'll be there. I don't know that I'm actually going to jump on the python. I'm going to just watch this first year.
Look for the photos and the video, perhaps, on WOKV.com, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram in the next week. Plus, we look forward to that. The weekend is looking hot, humid. Jaguars' 30th season opens up on Saturday. You got to get to your first Jaguars game, too.
I know.
It's going to be
Why
hot.
is there no pythons team?
Because we're all afraid of snakes. That's why. We should be more afraid of Jaguars. And we should be afraid of the Jaguars because they're going to the Super Bowl this year. Well, we hope that they'll be back in the playoffs. And it all begins with the preseason Saturday. Remember, that's a game you can see 7 o'clock kickoff on CBS 47. Your first alert 5-day forecast updated throughout Jacksonville's morning news. And a reminder, Monday, the payroll payout is back.
Oh my gosh. That's
5 chances to win $1,000. $1,000. 8 a.m., 10 a.m., noon, 2, and 5 p.m. Be listening to Jacksonville's Morning News Monday for your first shot to win, and enjoy the weekend.